Real-life application of function. Example, an organized student was planning to write a diary. The student used 12 pages of her diary in the first month of the year. The student noticed that he always used 12 pages every month, and now he is thinking on how many pages will he use at the end of this year. The function determines the number of the page and x determines the number of the month. Question: how many pages will the student use at the end of the year?
But first, what is function? A function is a one or more rule that are applied to an input and yield an output. The input is a number or value put into function. The output is the number or value the function gives out. There are two types of function, 1:1 and many:1. 1:1 function is a function where every element of the output of the function corresponds to the only one element on the input. Many:1 function is a function where an element of output corresponds to the more than one element in the input.
Let us use the input process output diagram to solve the problem. Our input is the function of f of x equals 12x. If x equals 12, our process is function of f of x equals 12x. f of 12 equals 12 times 12. f of 12 equals 144. Then our output is f of 12 equals 144. Therefore, the organized student will use 144 pages of his diary by the end of the year.
Examples of function using input process diagram.
Example number 1. Input the function of h of x equals 13 minus 2x if x is equal 3. The process will be h is to x equals 13 minus 2x. h is to 3 is equal to 13 minus 2 times 3. And the next process will be h is to 3 is equal to 13 minus 6. Output will be h is to 3 is equal to 7. Example number 2. The input will be f function of x is equal to x squared minus 5 if x is equal to 7. The process will be f is to x is equal to x squared minus 5. The next will be f is to 7 equals to 7 squared minus 5. And lastly, f is to 7 is equal to 49 minus 5. The output will be f is to 7 is equal to 44. Example number 3. The input will be p is to a is equal to x over 2 squared plus 2x plus 1 if a is equal to 12. The process will be p is to a is equal to x over 2 squared plus 2x plus 1. Next term will be p is to 12 is equal to 12 over 2 squared plus 2 times 12 plus 1. Next, p is to 12 is equal to 6 squared plus 24 plus 1. Last, p is to 12 is equal to 36 plus 25. The output will be the function of p of 12 is equal to 61.
Example number 4. Making tea. Our input is a tea bag and a cup. The process of making tea is to boil water first, then pour the hot water into the cup and place the tea. Then our input is the brewed tea. Example number 5. Sewing clothes. Our input is the materials needed on sewing. The process of sewing clothes is to go to the sewing machine or just do basic stitches by hand. Then our output is the sewed clothes. That's all. Thank you for listening.